So one of the unique things about Lawntech is that we blend and bag our own materials to our precise specification. So top dressing tends to be a mixture of sand and loam, or sand and organic compost, which we brush into the surface of the lawn to really assist with germination and to take out any of those surface imperfections, the unevenness of the lawn. So at Lawntech we're quite unique in that we blend and bag our own top dressings for customers' lawns. We blend 4 different types of top dressing, ranging from different quantities of sand and loam or sand and composted material, depending on what we need. It's very dry, it brushes into the surface of the lawn beautifully and really takes out those imperfections in the surface of the lawn and creates the perfect environment for the seed to germinate and recover quickly. So when we're ready to do the very last part of top dressing, we spread the material with one of these machines. This is what we call a DS800 top dresser, which can cope with very large areas. We can get tons and tons of material on the lawn, spread nice and evenly in a short sort of space of time. For some of the narrow access areas where we cannot get a tractor mounted top dresser in, we use these pedestrian powered machines, which are brilliant again at doing the same thing. Once the top dressing is spread nice and evenly, we then use a compact tractor mounted brush to brush it all in neatly over the surface so that it really gets into those imperfections, has nice contact with the seed, so then it's ready to recover from the whole process. And then that is the end of the lawn renovation.